Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now the CarPlay is not working on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the latest update on your device, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. And after this, go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time. From here again go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Again go back and go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. After this, go back and then go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and go to privacy and content restrictions, and from here you have to simply turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this, and now you have to simply go to your CarPlay and then you have to simply forget the CarPlay for one time, or remove or disconnect the CarPlay from your device for one time. So guys, simply disconnect it or forget it, and after this reconnect your device with your CarPlay again. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of support regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.